Hey guys, this is Vicki with Southern Crossford Creations. Really cute craft. These are wood hearts that I got at Hobby Lobby. You're going to need one of each size. You're going to need two Jenga blocks, one of your barbecue skewers, and then you're also going to need some of this paper, or you can get paper from Hobby Lobby. This pack of paper, I'll give you more information in just a minute. I absolutely love it. You're going to need paper, Mod Podge, some Waverly Antique Wax, and then the first step you're going to do is you're going to stain your barbecue skewer and your Jenga blocks. You're going to lay those aside to dry. Now, I did not like the way that was staining, and so I grabbed some of my brown paint and I just went ahead and went over both of those pieces again with just some brown paint. Set that aside to dry, and y'all, this paper is so pretty. I got it on Amazon. It comes in packs, and I was just trying different ones, but it's just handwritten, like handwritten letters. And I thought, how pretty are these to use for these hearts? I'll give you more information. If you'd like the link for that paper, then just message me supplies and I'll get that to you. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to trace your heart onto your paper and cut that out. Now, I did not cut on the line, and I'll show you the reason why here in a minute. Make sure you cut it bigger than what the wood heart is. So you're going to take some Mod Podge and you're going to put that on your wood heart and then press your paper down. Now, I always like to take my little dryer and dry that. I don't believe I showed that on here, but I did go ahead and dry that as well. Now you're going to next you're going to take your other wood heart, the smaller one, and you're going to cut that out as well. Excuse my voice. I've been battling COVID, so hopefully I won't start coughing. But then the next step you're going to do is obviously go ahead and get that one Mod Podged on there. And then lay those aside for them to dry. Once they dry, you're going to take a little hand sander. I also got this on Amazon. I absolutely love it. And it comes with a lot of little sheets to change it out with. But what you're going to do is once it dries, look how pretty that edge comes out. You're just going to take your sander and go down towards the edge. So start at the top of your heart and go downward. Never go against the paper. Go upward with the paper. Always go downward, and you're just going to make some really pretty smooth edges for your hearts. Now, the next step you're going to do is you're going to take your wooden skewer and you're going to measure that and then cut it. Now, I used one skewer for both of these hearts. So it really depends on what your height is. I'm making these for my tiered tray, so I did not want these super tall. So once you get those on there and get those set aside, once they dry, you're going to Mod Podge the other heart right over the wood skewer. And as you go down, you'll see me take and just kind of fold that down. You're not going to see this on a tiered tray. It's going to be on the, excuse me, on the back. But I wanted to make sure that I at least covered it so that if you did see part of the heart from the back of your tier tray, it would be finished. So the next step you're going to do is there's where I did the dryer, but you're going to go ahead and sand those pieces off just like you did on the front side. Now, I wanted to take just a quick minute, first of all, to thank you for being on my page. Thank you so much for passing it down the road, which means share, like, and comment. And it just helps my page to grow and for more people to see these crafts. Now, what I did here, this is totally optional, but you know how I run with my designs here. And I always think the embellishing makes a big difference. Now, you could do this with lace. You could do it with ribbon. I just chose just to do some twine for mine. So this little step here I want to show you because I have a drill, but some people do not have drills. And so I wanted to show you a little trick. You can take a screw and screw it with your screwdriver down into your piece of wood. Make sure your screw is about as big as your wood skewer, and look at that. You can make the hole big enough for your pieces to be hot glued down in there. Now, if you have a drill and you want to use a drill, that's totally good. but a lot of people don't have a drill, so I wanted to give you an option. And this is going to be your little base for your heart. Now, these do not weigh hardly anything, so they will stand up. So what I did is I did not like the hot glue that was at the bottom, and so I just took some of your the moss. Now you could use several different things. I just chose just to use the moss. Now when I wanted to leave this in here because I wanted to show you, once I was playing around with it, I did not let it dry long enough. Make sure that you let them dry. I was a little impatient. But so what I did with this one, I thought how cute would be just a little bitty bow on that one. And then here I attempt to make a bow for the bigger one, and it came out really cute. And then I had to go back and redo the moss at the bottom because, like I said, I was just a little bit impatient with it. But how cute are these coming out, y'all? And there's like no money into this. Just super cute tiered tray pieces, or you can put them on a coffee bar, something like that. I just think they came out so super cute. So here's where I'm going to attempt to go ahead, and once I let that, now make sure you let them completely dry, and then you can go ahead and get your moss put down on there. How cute are these, y'all? I think they came out so super sweet, and I hope you like them. And let me know if you need the supply list, and I will just message supplies and I'll get that to you. And for more, you can visit southerncrossroadcreations.com. Thanks, guys.